Hey, Brendan Davenport here from T3ch and today I'm going to be showing you a bit of what's new with Twitter on the iPhone and iPod Touch. Twitter just launched today their new app for iPhone and iPod Touch, which was previously known as Tweety. That's what you'll see when you first get Twitter. Sorry about the wind out here. That's what you see when you get Twitter, and it's just basically like the normal default avatar icon. So if we click on it, you'll notice that I'm not logged in yet. This is what you get when you first log in for the very first time. So there's a big sign up button right there, and if you can see, there's suggested users. There's some trending topics that people might be interested in. First time users. Here's some featured tweets. So we've got some suggested tweets, which was obviously absent in most all Twitter apps. So we've got some suggested tweets in here. So now it's authorizing my login. Authorization accepted. Now, in theory, it should load my Twitter stream. So let's see if it does. The Wi-Fi isn't great out here, but there it is. So it's loading the avatars, I guess. There, so avatars are loaded. Tweets are all ready to go. And it looks like it's working well. So let's look into this. First, let's just take a basic overlook of what this is all about. So as you can notice, it's a very clean interface, nothing really distracting, which is good. If we click into one of my tweets, let's say, it displays the tweet, and it'll show the @reply. The links are clickable. There's my avatar. If we click in reply to, it'll show the little stream of the chat itself, of the dialogue between us. Let's go into another tweet. Someone that's not me. There, Square Girl, the senior designer at Squarespace. So there's her tweet. We can go and click a link, and just like Twitterific, Twitbird, it'll load up the link right in the app, in the built-in web browser, I guess using the Safari. And then you can click the avatar, view their profile, see what's new. You can unfollow them, different settings like that. How many followers they have, the lists that that they run, have joined, their services that they use, more different things that you can do, like block spam, more options with the user, different things like that. And you can also view and the beautiful interface, by the way. Even clicking through the different options, the little arrow that slides, if you can see that. Even if you click into the next thing, what else is there? There's my @replies, so people that have @replied me, easy and simple. Direct messages, and that little unread tag. So if I click and go to read it, and then I go back, it's read. Let's look into tweeting something. So if you go into here, and you go up, just like you would in Mail, there's a little icon up in the top right-hand corner, just like in Mail and usually all the other apps. If you go in and click it, it'll bring up a little window to tweet. So let's make a tweet. It's a pretty basic interface, nothing really flashy, and that's great because that's all I wanted to do, is make a tweet. Also, doing stuff like adding links and everything, it's really easy to do. All you do is when you're making a tweet, blah, 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 and then you go in, click the little down arrow, so you can just flip over that little thing right there, if you can see. And it brings up this sub-menu where you can take a picture, choose something from your photo library, geotag it, @username. So I guess if you click @username, you can search the people that you're following. Let's say I want to search Ricardo Trejo, I can click on him, adds it to the thing, and then if I want to go in, add different hashtags that I want, and then shrink URLs. Really basic, really slick, and really this is exactly like Apple would make it, I think. Also down here, you have the little dot dot dot, and that's all your different things like my profile. Different things like that. Favorites, so all your different favorite tweets that you've saved, handy dandy, and your different drafts. So those are tweets. Let's say if we go in to make a tweet, and we go, and then we close, save. Then if we go into drafts, there's that draft that I made. I didn't tweet it out. So I can click it, edit it up, and then send. So super awesome feature, just to be able to, when you're on the go, you can't send out a tweet right away, you don't have Wi-Fi around you don't want to use your data plan, write up a quick little tweet, draft it, then when you get home, push them out. The search function in here is the best searching in any Twitter app available for the iPhone and iPod Touch. Let's say we search something like Tech Help. Let's see what it does. Blam blam bloom. There we go. All the tweets that people have made about Tech Help. Alex at Darth Runia, actually his tweet is a slight bluish, has a slight bluish color to it. If you can see, I don't know if you can see very well, but it has a slight bluish color to it, so you can see the people that are at replying you really easy. So that's the search. Awesome. You can save the search. You can search all tweets that are nearby. You can search people. If you can't remember someone's username. What else? Trending topics. I'm not going to click on Justin Bieber, God help me. Oil spill. Click on oil spill. And just like on the website, huzzah, there's all the tweets about the dreaded oil spill. You know, this is just a really charming, simple, fun app. Like, it's just, I think I'm going to set it as my default app because it's just so usable. You know what I mean? It's not flashy, it's not packed full of features, it's just, it's there. What's there is what you need, and what you need is done well. I did dig through the iTunes comments and ratings and stuff for this app, and I did find some really interesting complaints that people had with this app. So the first one is highlighted unread tweets, which is, you know, sort of a must with these apps. As you notice, I don't know which tweets I've read and which tweets I haven't read. Another thing related to that, auto scrolling to the first unread tweet would be really handy, being able to scroll to the first unread tweet. I don't mean click the top thing and scroll to the top. I mean actually scroll to the first unread tweet. Also something cool, load more than 90 tweets. As you can see, I'll scroll down to the bottom. Those are all the tweets that you get. So, you know, it would be nice to have, you know, maybe 200 tweets loaded, which would be cool. It does slow down the app, that would be the argument to that, but still, it would be nice to have a few more tweets to load. Let's say, see this link, hold on, see that tiny URL link right there? That's a link, and I should be able to, right in this screen right here, be able to click on that link like that. But if I click on it, it goes into here, and then I click on the link. Now, I don't mind that, but some people off the iTunes page didn't like it very much. Being able to click the link right in here would be nice for a lot of people, and you know, I'd consider that. But being able to go like this and just click and go to it, that's no problem for me. I don't mind it, but it might be a complaint that you have. What would be nice is when you go to the home screen, have a notifier for all unread tweets. So if you notice the Twitter icon, being able to have a little red, let's see if we can find an app with a red circle. Something like this, the little red circle with the number 3, something like that over the Twitter app that would allow you to see how many unread tweets you had. This is a great app. It's free. Tweety used to cost, I think, $2-3, I think, and now it's free. Same Tweety that you've loved and known, and it's even better now, and it's free. So I don't see any reason at all why you aren't going to the iTunes store right now and downloading it and immediately, because this is truly an awesome app. This is going to be my default app for a while. And also make sure to follow Tech Help on Twitter, at Tech Help. And yeah, take care guys. See you later.